Hashtag homies nut milk. Just kidding. Okay. Looking for a quick, easy protein, high protein snack? Me too. I'm hungry. Let's go. Okay. What's good, my beautiful broken people? It's your boy Bentpinkeez, aka Vincent, aka the bird food maker. So today we're gonna make Proats / bird food. What you're gonna need: whole grain quick oats, or steel cut oats, or rolled oats, whatever you choose, I don't care. Sea salt, sweetener of your choice. I have monk fruit, a bowl to mix everything in. Protein of your choice. I have Optimum Nutrition, cookies and cream, hashtag not sponsored. And then the all beautiful homies nut milk from the homies. So we're gonna mix it all together. Go ahead and open up your rolled oats. You wanna see here? Come in, Mr. Camera. You wanna see? Okay. I'll put the macros and calories on the screen over here. Some of that. Okay. Add some salt. Just a pinch of salt. About a tablespoon of sweetener. 1 scoop protein, and then add the homies nut milk. Pour 1 for the homies. Okay, pouring too much for the homies. What the hell? No! What the hell's going on here? Oops. Okay, then you mix it all up. Sorry, homies. You mix it all up, and it'll start to look like bird food, if it didn't already look like bird food. And you want to get that chunky consistency and not like a soupy consistency, because I like the feeling of chewing, not the feeling of slurping. You know what I mean? And we have achieved greatness. And now this is a great pre-workout snack because we're about to go on a run. So great macros, good source of carbs, and good source of protein. Bam. Okay. Now we're gonna taste test this. See? Okay. Okay. Tastes like if cookies and cream and oatmeal had a baby with the homies. All right, so go ahead and try this out. Let me know. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Posting videos every Wednesday, Sunday, and visit Bentpinkeez.fit to get you some sweet gear. I'm not wearing any, but visit. And as always, Bentpinkeez out.